Is your Android playing dead? Hold your horses and chargers. In this video, we'll give you some troubleshooting tricks that'll get your device running again. Let's dive in. To start, inspect your device for any physical damage. If the screen shows signs of damage or water damage is evident, it's crucial to seek professional repair services. Assuming you've attempted this, proceed to turn on your device. Hold down the power button and check for vibrations. If the screen remains blank despite vibrations, it indicates potential internal component issues, requiring the screen has to be replaced. In the absence of visible problems, try charging the device. It might not illuminate immediately, so allow 15 to 30 minutes of charging before attempting to power it on. Additionally, explore a force restart. For Samsung Galaxy users, press and hold the power button and volume down button for over 7 seconds. Google Pixel users can achieve this by holding down the power button for more than 30 seconds until the Google logo appears. If none of these solutions work in your favor, visit the nearest service center to get it checked by an expert. We hope these fixes prove effective and restore your Android phone to action. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos curated just for you.